In this problem, again, we're given a kite. FG, we're told, is 20. FJ, we're told, is 16. And the perimeter of this kite is 88. And we want to find the following measurements. FH, FE, GE, and the area of the kite. Okay, so in order to identify these, first we know that our diagonals are perpendicular and the diagonal GE is bisected by the other diagonal, so we can mark these equal. And when we look at the pieces of this right triangle created, what we recognize is this is 4 times 4, 20 is 5 times 4. So we have a common multiplier of 4, and this is a 3, 4, 5 common triple. So 3 times that multiplier gives us JG, which is 12. And that tells us GE here is going to be 2 12s or 24. If we want to find FE, FE is equal to FG, so we know that that's also going to be 20. And then finally FH here. If we know that the total perimeter is 88, the perimeter is going to be made up of GH and HE, which are the same lengths, and then 20 and 20. So we can subtract the 20 and 20 from 88. That leaves us with 48 for the other two sides, which are equal. So we can cut that in half, telling us each of these length is 24. And so now we have this leg of 12 and a hypotenuse of 24 in this right triangle. That is the pattern for a 30, 60, 90. Since we know that the leg is half of the hypotenuse, or the hypotenuse is twice the leg, that means this has to be a 30, 60, 90 triangle. Therefore, JH is going to be the side opposite 30 degrees, 12 times root 3. And so that will be our length here. If we combine these two lengths, we get FH 16 plus 12 root 3. And if we put this into a decimal form, and when I calculate it, I get an answer of about 36.785. And that would be my solution. Finally, the area. Our area is simply going to be 1/2 the product of our two diagonals. Well, our diagonals are FH and GE. So if I take the product 1/2 of 24 times this number 36.78. Again, if I go to my calculator, I get 0.5 times 24 times, I'll just highlight this number, and when I get my solution, I get 441.42. It is measured in, there are no units, so it's just a square unit, and that would be my solution.